Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Parma. Today I am going to present an innovative idea pitch for the company Stagger, which is a sub-organization of Midnight Health. My prototype is a mobile application namely YourMate along with smart glasses. So let's start by having a brief introduction. The client for today's pitch is Stagger. Stagger is a men-only online healthcare service company. The new solution offered in this presentation to Stagger is a mobile health application named YourMate in combination with an artificial intelligence powered smart glass. YourMate will address the most common difficulties discovered in male patients during their initial interaction with healthcare experts as well as motivate them to attend their first appointment. The target customers are the age group of 48 to 57 years living in rural areas. So looking at the market need for the product, according to statistics, males die younger than women, which presents a potential for breakthrough innovation to help us understand and stop this trend. Also highlighted here are the negative consequences of inadequate communication among healthcare professionals, which results in poor patient care, poor organization image, lower production rate, and high number of casualties. Current market trends that favor the product. Several factors have benefited and encouraged the growth and development of this product, such as consumers growing more acclimated to video consulting during pandemics when avoiding crowded places and medical centers. Also, it was revealed that most doctors consulted or supported patients 24 hours a day, 7 days a week during the epidemic, enabling for the formation of a 24/7 medical care culture. Here we have described that the persona is based on Tony Adams, whose age is 47 years and who stays in Australia, working as a clerk. It helps him to describe his feelings, demographic challenges, and other attributes of the person. The problem statement for today's speech is how might we reduce the stress or anxiety during considering healthcare consultancies about intimate issues. This diagram is the illustration of the prototype as per the low fidelity version, whether the inputted data is converted and transmitted as per the requirement and server workflow of developers creation in health purpose. The second concept of this innovative pitch is an artificial intelligence enabled smart glass that will be immediately linked to data from the mobile app. It will show the user a visual representation of the health problems. This is the high fidelity version of the prototype in which the first step displays the Your Mate app logo, which when clicked sends you to second step, which is login and sign up screen. The third step greets the user once they submit their credentials. In the fourth stage, the primary home screen opens up with the options for doctor, hospital, emergency, appointments, medicine shop and linking smart glass option. In the fifth stage, clicking on the doctor button reveals a list of doctors from whom we can select based on our needs. In the sixth step, we may observe the availability of doctor's appointments. The appointment time can be selected in the seventh step. Step 8 of the follow-up process reveals the calling doctor option, followed by an option to rate our experience. When you select the link to Smart Glass option on step 4, the app gets connected to the glasses. Follow-up, which initially remind and guide the user about all the health issues. Give them a visual representation of their health problems such as dandruff in their hair, which is cause of hair loss. The user will be then directed to the proper therapies for the concern. The methods of biometric scan of the user will also consider privacy. The idea that inspired the creation of this prototype are there are various applications available such as Amwell, DocApps and Practo for those who require access to healthcare services. Whether one requires virtual consultations with health professionals or chronic disease, this app assists through video chats. MediSafe is a good software that manages the user to advise appropriate medicines based on required doses as well as MyMed Plus. Furthermore, health reminder applications remind users to monitor their health despite their hectic schedule. The design principles of the prototype, such as how using it would result in a proactive change in the user's attitude, an improvement in the user's confidence and satisfaction, and the prototype's ability to supply services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It contributes to the enhancement of the examination technique. This prototype allows users to open up about their problems and receive knowledge about them in a public setting. Using this prototype design can access the user with a multi-level process for checking the device robustness that can be useful in extending initial project as per the user experience and design thinking model of product creation. It is bridging the gap between people in distressed location or those who does not tend to assist with doctors directly about their sexual problems or emergency situation. This digital health application is ranged for giving a platform for AI services such as doctor appointment and chronic disease management to users' health through taking daily steps and accessing exercise and nutrition programs. Many patients have indicated that they are quite uncomfortable discussing their personal medical problem at the doctor's office. Also, many have stated that they feel rather insecure despite the fact that they are aware that the atmosphere is completely safe and secure. Aside from that, they believe that chatting to the doctor over the phone or video call relaxes them and allows them to detect various symptoms and express themselves more clearly. Consequently, they want a system or approach that allows them to consult their doctors via video calls and mobile phones, which creates a great viability for the mobile app. Throughout this slide, a proper estimation of the budget will be there, suggesting an approx $60,000 for mobile app and $4,000 for smart glass, as well as the cost for its maintenance will be 7,000 Australian dollars. This will be having duration of 7 months. The product can be successful from the estimated years 2023 to 2024. This software can be expensive due to the artificial intelligence factor. These attributes can affect their business process because this application can also be expensive. It detects the netizen attractiveness of the testing results over a user's convenience in using the product, easier use of sustaining options, as well as an establishment and improvement of awareness through the user. It will also address the hazards of the concerns through preventive tactics such as health mistakes and rapid spread of private data. According to the previous study, there are major health issues affecting diverse users in Australia. To meet the numerous issues, the program will be created with a variety of settings dependent on the user's preference. The research also instigates market demands and with the persona of the right prototype design and the needs satisfied via the existence of technology. These are my references. Thank you.